What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you guys how to work on your APU unit. Today we got a Peterbilt in here, and we've got a Thermo King Tripac that needs some motor mounts. So you guys come on and we'll show you how to do it. It's not a bad job. It's going to save you some money. Alright guys, so here is a Thermo King Tripac, and this is the one that's got the bad motor mounts in it, and we're going to show you guys what to do to fix it. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to blow the cover off this thing. Alright guys, you see all the covers has been removed, everything's off the APU. When we took the bolts loose, we actually took the muffler. It's got a bracket right there. You can see on the side right there. Took it loose, and you can see the motor mounts here. Underneath this plate, there should be some more rubber bushings, and you can see it's completely gone. It's sitting metal against metal. So that's what we're going to fix today. So while Bill's gonna come in here and show you what to do, we're gonna jerk the air cleaner and air box off of it. And also we got to take the bolts out of the exhaust and crack that loose so we'll be able to jack it up. So let's get to it. Of course, we've already loosened the hose clamps. We got the bolts out of the exhaust. I've already broke those nuts loose. And you're going to have the same thing on the back. You're going to have the same two bolts. Everything looks the same on the back as it does on the front. Alright. So we got everything ready. 2 bolts is out of the front. 2 bolts is out of the back. So let me show you what your parts are going to look like. Hopefully your boxes won't be as beat up and pretty looking as these, but at the end of the day, it still works. Here's the Thermo King part number for you guys. That number is 928893. And here's what they look like out of the box. Alright, so this is going to be your bottom mount. It's going to sit on the base of the frame here and slide up underneath there. As you can see, that's the way it's going to sit. And this is going to be the piece that goes on the top. Bolt's going to go through there. So what we're going to do is show you guys the easy way to do this. As you can see, Thermo King put a hook here and a hook here so you can attach it. And if your cherry picker is set up, you know, with a 2-hook system, or you got a chain, you can make it work. You can pick up both of them at the same time, lift it straight up, and stick them under there. But we're going to show you kind of the harder way to do it, because most of you guys may not have nothing fancy like that. If you decide to jack up from the bottom, be extremely careful, because like that old Bon Jovi song, Living on a Prayer, well, that's the way it's going to be, because you're going to end up popping a hole through your oil can or something fun like that.
Make sure if you put a jack underneath it, you got a block of wood to even out the pressure on it.
My advice is try to get a cherry picker or get a buddy to help you with a pry bar. Don't even try to jack it up from the bottom, because you don't want to be living on a prayer. Leave that up to Bon Jovi. He did it best. Alright, you can see we got our old cherry picker here, and we got it hooked in the center hole. While Bill's just putting a little pressure, you can see it's raising up. And it's pretty close there. You don't have to go very much, just enough to clear that right there. You slide those rubber pieces out of the bottom. Told you guys this wasn't a hard job. And luckily, Thermo King leaves you plenty of room, so you don't have to worry about your fuel lines or any of your AC lines or anything like that. You see he's putting a pry bar underneath there, just picking up on it just a little bit, just to get that little piece of bushing out of there. And you can do this with pry bars if you don't have a cherry picker, but I highly recommend don't jack it up from the bottom. Alright, so here's our two mounts side by side. Of course, obviously, that's the old one and that's the new one. So we're going to stick the front two in and show you guys what to do next.
I'm going to take the bolts and stick in from the bottom and make sure all my holes are lined up before I start easing it down.
And you can see on the back, it's the same way. Whoever actually put these motor mounts on, to start with, put the bolts from the bottom side up on the back. We're not going to do that in case you do have a nut run off. We're going to do it the right way and put the bolts in from the top side. Let's see if I can get over here where you can see a little bit better. But you can see there's plenty of clearance on this side. We won't even have to put a pry bar because of the way the weight balance is with a chain hoist or a cherry picker. They'll slide right on in, no problems. In this application, the front side's actually the harder side to do, believe it or not, because just the way the weight balances with the cherry picker. Those will drop right in there, no problem at all. There's the first one in. And there's the second.
I'm going to do the same thing with the bolts. Make sure my holes are lined up before I start easing down on my jack.
Alright, so you're just going to ease down on it. I'm going to get at this angle that you guys can see a little bit better. And she's back. Now all we got to do, pull the bolts back out. Put the top cap back on it, or the top rubber pieces here. Tighten everything back down. After you get all four of those done, get to hook your exhaust back up, put your nuts back on it, put your air breather back on it, two nuts in the bottom, two hose clamps, one there. Put your cover back on it with a 936.7 bolts. Yes, you will lose one. That's where the 0.7 comes in. Now you see how to put your motor mounts in your Thermo King Tripac, so there's no excuse for you not to do it and save some money. Thanks for watching this video. Like always, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. And remember, you guys go check out my truck fixing playlist. There's a lot of good stuff in there. And subscribe, because it's free. See ya.